You can put some stools here. It would make it tight, and you could do it. Uh-oh. What is that? Oh no, it looks like a brand new metal roof. I wonder if that's new or old. You know, sometimes in those metal roofs, the nail holes leak. They need to be replaced every 15 years with a larger screw so that they don't leak. You got a bathroom with a vanity and a tub shower. Or, okay, there it is. And a small closet. Well, decent sized closet. Looks like this is where the washer and the dryer was originally. So you could probably put it back in here if you wanted to. There's the hookup right in there.